this is Dallas from the Wishmasters Capes and Costumes coming to you today because as I mentioned in my last video, I know it's kind of early for most of us to be thinking about Halloween, but those people who are really serious about Halloween are definitely already thinking about it because it allows me the time to create the piece the way that we want to and to make sure that it fits you properly. This is actually a custom make. We make the Spider Queen, which has this amazing black velvet fabric with a glitter pattern on it, spider web pattern with various spiders here and there. It is absolutely stunning by itself. But this particular guest asked us to add a reversible lining. So what we've done, they've asked for the lining to be in a purple velvet. So when we're finished with this particular piece, this person will be able to wear it on either side. So you kind of get double for your money. But thinking about Halloween now, if you have some really unique ideas, is really important that you reach out to us now so that we can make sure that we create it properly. But about this piece, I'm always excited about this here because it actually came from a shop in Salem, Massachusetts. We can, however, put any kind of brooch that you want on here. This person happens to live in Salem and they're going to use it for a very elaborate presentation. You can actually make it a little more elegant by having some really neat clasp or a brooch or something that is very unique to your own personal style. The other thing about this piece is this client has asked us to add a train to it. Normally, when we create this, it's only done to your particular height. But this client, again, is using it for a very unique presentation. And so they've asked us to make a 4-foot train on there. And I wish I could get it out there better for you, but might be about the best I can do at the moment. But you can still see that it's got that amazing spider pattern. And in case you can't see it really well, this is all glitter. It stays on, a little bit might come off here and there, but this is never gonna go away as long as you treat it properly, as long as you have it dry cleaned, never wash it in the machine, and never place anything that we make in the dryer. So this is our Spider Queen, and I hope you like her. She's absolutely gorgeous. And come visit us at the Wishmasters Capes and Costumes for your Halloween needs.